Hello friends, in this video I want to share how I grew my Facebook page to 19,000 plus followers and monetized it without using any ads, just real content and real people. And I was doing it while living in Poland and sharing my journey to Europe. So let me tell you how it all happened. I came to Poland from Cyprus more than 4 years ago. At first I didn't speak Polish, life was difficult, but I could speak English, so I started learning step by step. I started making videos about Europe, how people can come here, what documents they need, real tips from my experience, not fake hope, not just visa videos, only practical advices like how to prepare yourself, what to expect in first months, how to find work, how to survive in Poland. So I felt like this was missing online. So I made my own content from my heart in Bengali language. I created a Facebook page, no strategy, no fancy plan. I just wanted to share value. At first, I posted my videos there. I also shared motivational quotes, images, or personal thoughts. The goal was simple: help people who want to move to Europe or are already living abroad. And then I started sharing my post in related Facebook groups about Bangladeshi in Europe. That's how more people saw my content. Some shared, some commented, and some followed. Here's what helped me grow my Facebook page step by step. Number one, real advice. I did not promise fake dreams. I said clearly what's possible and what's not. People trusted me. Number two, consistency. I posted almost every day, sometimes just one quote, sometimes a full video. That helped Facebook show my content more. Number three, group sharing. I shared my post in Facebook groups where people were looking for disinfo. But I never spammed. I added value first and then shared my page naturally. Soon the page crossed like 5,000 followers, and suddenly two of my videos got viral, and I got almost like 10,000 followers in 4 days, and my videos were shared like 8,000, 9,000 times. People messaged me saying, "Thank you, Vi, your video helped me." That felt amazing. But later I got busy, life in Poland, other projects, affiliate marketing, YouTube. I stopped posting regularly. So even now I didn't post much, but the page is still there, still alive. So if you're living abroad like me and or want to help others online, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be real, be helpful, and be consistent. No ads, no fake tricks, just truth and value. I started with zero and now I'm back creating videos again on YouTube. So if you want to grow online, start today. Start with what you know. Thanks for watching. More stories and tips coming soon.